Hey guys, how are you? It's a Friday again. We have to do something for you. We are doing it inside the water, aqua-aerobics and aquatoning. And today I have an improvised equipment. Both rows, you just need to put amount of water, 1 liters, or you can choose an equipment that you can be able to lift comfortably. But the workout, I'll show you how to do it. Take the advantage of the water, feel good, because you are 75% of water. You are welcome till the end. As you can see, you cannot see my whole body movement. Up here, I have a workout that you can be able to see what I'm doing inside the water. Stay tuned to the end. Aqua aerobics. Just move like you can see up here.
Drop that low.
Yeah, that's all we had for aquarobics. Just an hint of what you can do. Don't just come and bask on the ceiling. You can train an hour of training as much as you can. I'm giving you an idea of what you can do. And now I'm going into the second part of the training, aquatoning. You just need an equipment. And here I have something for you, an improvised equipment. I have some bottles with the water, just 1 liter, or you can lift as heavy as you can if you have that energy or you're an advanced trainer. Just keep on training until you get it. Yeah.
Rinse out, drop that low.
Thank you guys for watching and keep training. It doesn't matter the weather condition, whether it's cold, whether it's hot, you can train. Take your time, 1 hour of training. Don't settle for less until you get what you're looking for. Till next time, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Follow me on Twitter, Steve Younglion, on Facebook, Steve Younglion, and on Instagram, Steve Younglion. Till next time, bye bye. Woo!